Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. First of all, Happy New Year to all. Today I will discuss about the elements of a macro environment. Elements of macro environment. In previous class, we discussed about the external environment of a business. External environment are two types, that is one is micro and another is the macro. Today I know about the elements of a macro environment. Macro environment otherwise known as the general environment. General environment. Macro environment consists of macro factors. Macro factors which are not controllable by business as comparison to micro factors of a environment. Macro environment otherwise known as general environment, and macro environment consists of macro factors which are uncontrollable by business as comparison to micro factors of environment. Macro environment क्या है? The macro environment consists of those factors which are uncontrollable by business. The first elements of macro environment, that is economic environment. Economic environment refers to the factors which are directly impact on the business activity, and such factors regulate the factor of production, resources and distribution of income and wealth of a business. And economic factors economically affect the business, and the economic factors include first of all economic condition, in which the case is the income level, distribution of income, market size, price level, rate of capital. Economic condition. Where economic condition is good, then good affect in the business, and where the economic condition bad, then the badly affect the business. When income level decrease or increase, and distribution of income and market size large or small, and price level increase or decrease, rate of capital increase or decrease, also affect the business activity. Suppose income level, price level, rate of capital increase or decrease, also affect the business activity, and the market size large or small, and any change of market size affect the business activity. And second factor of economic environment, that is the economic policies. Any change in economic policies also affect the business environment. And economic system, there are three types of economic system. One is capitalism, socialism, mixed economy. and overall all are the economic factors which affect the business. Next elements of a macro environment is a socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural environment consists of all the social and cultural forces. Consist of social and cultural forces. A business also affected by society and societal activity. So such environment represent the custom and tradition, values, norm, ethics, culture, belief, social trends of a society. All are the societal factors which affect the business activity, which affect the business activity. Basically, where a business situated in any area, the business must be affected by the local tradition and customs, and obey the societal rule and regulation, local rule and regulation. Thus a societal activity and the societal norms and ethics, cultural, affect the business activity. And the socio-cultural environment, example, that is the equal wages for male and female employee. Then overall the socio-cultural environment is the second elements of a macro environment. Socio-cultural environment consists of all social and cultural forces or factors. Such environment represent the custom, tradition, value, norm and ethics, culture, belief and social trends of a society which are affect the business activity highly. When a business situated in any area, the business must be affected by the local tradition, customs, local cultural, local belief. The next elements of a macro environment is a technological environment. Technological environment refers to those factors which are arise due to change in technology, and technological environments relates to scientific improvement and innovation. Which provide new better way of producing goods and services, and new methods of operating business activity. Suppose a business in old days apply some traditional methods, but now due to the change of technology, ignore the traditional technology and apply the new technology to enhance the providing the goods and the service to its customer, and apply the new methods to operate the business smoothly. And conduct to the day-to-day operation activity of a business smoothly. We take an example to clarify these things. In old version and new version, we take a product television. People in old version prefer black and white TV. In day to day the technology change, and now the people prefer the color TV with remote control. And due to the technology, now the people prefer the color TV with remote control, and it highly affects the business activity. Thus any change in technology highly affect the business environment. The next elements of a macro environment is political environment. Political environment refers to those factors which are related with government affairs, Political factors include political ideology of a government, political stability, relation of a government with other country, center-state relationship, welfare of a government. Those are the political factors which are highly affect the business activity. We take an example of a political environment. The demonetization in 2016 highly affect the flow of money circulation for some time. Political factors also affect the business activity, like political stability. When a government change, it also be highly affect the business activity, and relation of a government with other country. When government have good relations with other country, a businessman can doing business in other country easily. But if the government have bad relationship, not good, then a businessman have difficult to doing business in another country. So relation of a government with the other country also be affect the business activity. And next, the center-state relationship. Suppose one party have in center and another one party have in state. Then the mismatch of a concept highly affect the business activity. Overall, all are the factors of a political environment which affect the business activity. Next elements of a macro environment is demographic environment. The following are the factors include in this environment, that is population, size and growth, age composition, education level, family size and structure, economic satisfaction of a population. Demographic environment. Those are the demographic factors which affect the business activity. Like population size and growth. The increase and decrease of a population size and growth also affect the business activity. And age composition, education level, and family size structure, all are the demographic factors which affect the business activity. And next is the natural environment. Natural environment consists of natural factors which is very necessary to operate a business activity in day to day. Natural environment consists of natural factors which are necessary to operate the business activity. Such factors are availability of natural resources, which are very necessary to start a business, and weather and climate condition, location aspect, good location or bad location for business, it must be very important. Pollution, soil, land, rainfall, all are the natural factors, which are very necessary, and highly affected the business activity. And last is the international environment. The following are the international factors which are affect the business activity: globalization, international agreement, cultural exchanges, global financial crisis. Then overall, all are the elements of a macro environment. First, we discuss about the economic environment. Economic environment. Second is the socio-cultural environment. Third is the technological environment. Fourth is the political environment. Fifth is the demographic environment. Sixth, natural environment. Seventh, international environment. All are the parts of a macro environment. That is, all are the elements of macro environment which are affected the business activity and all the factors uncontrollable by the business. Then the economic environment, socio-cultural environment, technological environment, political environment, demographic environment, natural environment, international environment. All are the elements of a macro environment. Thank you.